Southern Oregon has faced an increase in forest fire activity over the period of 1984 to 2011, and many project further increase in frequency and intensity of these forest fires. This region is vulnerable due to an increase in the aridity of forest fuels such as trees, grasses, and shrubs. The aridity of forest fuels is increasing due to an increase in both temperature and vapor pressure deficit in this region. Increased drought in the area is also aiding in increased forest fire activity. Specifically, several environmental drivers of forest fires are increasing in southern Oregon, leading to the increase in forest fires. Besides temperature, these include relative humidity, soil moisture, vegetation density, and wind speed. Forest fires have the potential to bring some positive effects to the ecosystem. As a fire burns through, space is created for new growth to begin. However, the negative aspects of forest fires typically outweigh the positive effects. The communities in the area will be severely impacted in several ways. The main way is that homes and businesses in the area will be destroyed by the fires. Large amounts of money will have to be spent on cleaning up the community and rebuilding the damaged properties. Wildfires also have the potential to take human lives if the affected communities are not given enough of a warning to leave their homes and businesses, or if they refuse to do so. Some aspects of climate change may help to decrease the severity of forest fires. A decrease in precipitation and an increase in insect infestation can reduce forest vegetation growth, which results in a loss of forest fuels for the fires to run on. Looking ahead, better forest and fire management systems and practices will be needed as the frequency and intensity of forest fires in southern Oregon increase into the future.